Hello together! Today I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in the POCO M4 Pro. You can see I have a SIM card here on my finger, and this is a so-called nano SIM card. This nano SIM card is the smallest SIM card you can ever use at this moment. There is no smaller SIM card, but it can be that you have a slightly bigger model. There can be a micro SIM card and a standard SIM card, and these SIM cards are a little bit bigger. But you need a nano SIM card to put it in the POCO M4 Pro. And just take a look together where we must put this SIM card in. Here you can see on the left corner you have here a tray, and beside this tray there is a little hole, and in this hole we must put something to open this tray, and for that we need the box from our POCO M4 Pro. And you can see here I have a little paper, and then when I open it, you can see here is a little needle, and this needle is a so-called SIM card ejector tool. You can use this to open the tray, or you can use the standard paperclip. Everybody has a paperclip in its house, so you can use the standard paperclip. It's the same, just bend it a little bit open, and then we can use this also. To demonstrate it to you, I will just use this paperclip, and then I will go here to the hole and just open it, push it in, and then this tray opens pretty easily. And you can see it's very, very long. And why is it so long? Because you can put two SIM cards in it, with SIM card 1 and SIM card 2, and you can also put it in an SD card in this POCO M4 Pro. And here I have my SIM card, and you can see here this corner is a little bit special, and here is the same. So I cannot push it in like this or like this. I must push it so in this tray that the corners fit together. And then all I have to do is to put the SIM card tray back in, and you can see when you are at the wrong side, it won't fit, so you must use the right side. So don't worry, you won't break anything or something, it won't go in. And here you can see enter SIM pin for card 1. So my POCO M4 Pro just recognized my pin, my SIM, and then I can just insert, type in my pin, and then when I am here in there, you can see at the top right that I have now full signal on my POCO M4 Pro, so I can go outside, I can use my apps, I can use WhatsApp and call my friends and go in the internet, and so what I want to do. Yes, that was it, how to put in a SIM card in the POCO M4 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. It would be very great if you could support me, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We'll see us the next time. Bye bye.